siblings found a hidden path to a magical forest. The trees whispered secrets on the breeze, and glowing fireflies danced like tiny stars among the leaves. This was no ordinary forest, it was enchanted, but a sadness hung in the air, a dimming of the vibrant magic that once pulsed through the woods. An ancient gnarled tree, the guardian of the forest, revealed the source of the fading enchantment, the riddle of the roots. Only by solving this ancient puzzle could the forest's magic be restored. The guardian, its voice a rustling of leaves, explained that the riddle was scattered throughout the forest, each clue a test of courage and wit. Leila, fearless and quick to act, led the way, her bravery pushing them through thorny thickets and across rushing streams that shimmered with an ethereal light. Zaki, ever the strategist, followed closely, his keen mind deciphering the cryptic clues hidden within glowing mushrooms and carved into ancient stones. The first clue, etched on a moss-covered rock, spoke of a path guided by moonlight, leading them to a hidden grove where the moonbeams illuminated a secret passage. Their journey was fraught with challenges. They faced mischievous sprites who tested their kindness, navigated a maze of whispering willows that tried to confuse them, and even outsmarted a grumpy troll guarding a vital clue. Layla's courage shone through each obstacle, while Zaki's sharp intellect unlocked each riddle, piecing together the fragments of the ancient puzzle. They worked together, their strengths complementing each other, a perfect balance of daring and brains. Finally, after what seemed like an eternity, they reached the heart of the forest, a clearing bathed in an otherworldly glow. Here, at the base of the guardian tree, lay the final clue, a single, luminous root. Zaki carefully examined the root, tracing the intricate patterns etched upon its surface. He realized that the pattern mirrored the constellations, and by arranging the clues they had gathered, he unlocked the final answer. The forest's magic was fading because it had lost its connection to the stars. With the riddle solved, a wave of renewed energy surged through the forest. The trees glowed brighter, the fireflies danced with renewed vigor, and the air hummed with revitalized magic. The guardian of the forest, its branches now vibrant with life, thanked Leila and Zaki for saving its enchanted home. As they walked back, hand in hand, they knew they had not just solved a riddle, but had restored a piece of magic to the world.